Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes on a gas stove. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium flame and grease lightly with butter or oil. Mix flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, milk, and egg until just combined with small lumps. Cook batter in 3, 5-inch rounds, flip when bubbles form and edges set, then serve warm with butter and syrup. Adjust heat to avoid burning and keep pancakes fluffy. Combine dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately, then fold them until just mixed for tender pancakes. Let batter rest 10 minutes while you heat the pan to allow bubbles and texture to develop. Adjust milk slightly for thicker or thinner batter and measure pancake size with a cup for uniform cooking. Keep the flame steady and avoid overmixing to preserve fluffiness and consistent rise in every batch. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy practical life tips, consider the simple path to wealth as a fun mental shift on money. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more cooking guides. I find a short book can change how you think and free mental space for better recipes and budgeting. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a wide spatula and flip only once when edges set and many bubbles appear across the surface. Keep heat medium-low to brown without burning and adjust flame as needed. If pancakes cook too fast, lower flame or remove pan briefly. If too slow, raise slightly. For even results, rotate pan between batches and wipe excess oil with a paper towel. Serve immediately or keep warm in a 200 degrees F oven for a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.